Windows play a crucial role in maintaining the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Over time, windows can deteriorate, leading to increased energy bills, discomfort, and even safety hazards. If you're a homeowner in Tysons, VA, knowing when to replace your windows can help you save money and enhance your living space. Here are the top signs that it's time for a window replacement. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed a steady increase in your energy bills, your windows could be the culprit. Old or poorly sealed windows allow heat to escape in the winter and let hot air in during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient replacement windows can significantly lower energy consumption and reduce your monthly utility costs. Drafts and air leaks. Feeling a cold draft even when your windows are closed? This is a clear sign that your windows are not providing proper insulation. Gaps, worn-out seals, or deteriorated frames can allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can eliminate drafts and improve insulation. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you struggle to operate your windows, it could be due to warping, rusted hinges, or failing window tracks. Functional windows are essential for ventilation, security, and emergency escapes, making it crucial to replace any that are difficult to use. Condensation between glass panes. Condensation inside your window panes is a strong indication that the seals have failed. When seals break, moisture seeps in, reducing the insulation properties of the window and leading to foggy glass. Replacing your windows will restore energy efficiency and improve visibility. Visible damage or decay. Over time, window frames can deteriorate due to moisture, insects, or general wear and tear. If you notice warping, rotting, or chipping, it's time for an upgrade. Damaged frames can compromise insulation and lead to costly structural issues if left unaddressed. Increased outside noise. If you find that your home is no longer shielding you from outside noise, your windows may be losing their soundproofing ability. Modern windows with double or triple pane glass and specialized insulation can significantly reduce noise pollution, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Water leaks and mold growth. Water stains, mold, or mildew around your windows indicate that moisture is seeping in. Leaky windows can lead to serious structural problems, such as mold growth and wood rot, which can negatively impact your health and home value. Replacing faulty windows can prevent further water damage and maintain a dry, healthy indoor environment. Outdated or inefficient window materials. If your windows are over 15-20 years old, they may lack the advanced features of today's energy-efficient models. New windows with low E coatings, insulated frames, and double or triple pane glass offer superior insulation, UV protection, and durability compared to older models. Poor curb appeal. Your home's exterior makes a lasting impression. If your windows look outdated, faded, or damaged, they can negatively impact your home's curb appeal and resale value. New, Stylish windows can instantly enhance the look of your home and increase its market value. Safety and security concerns. Old or weak windows can be an easy entry point for intruders. If your windows have broken locks, fragile glass, or compromised frames, they pose a security risk. Modern replacement windows come with advanced security features, such as impact-resistant glass and multi-point locking systems, helping to keep your home and family safe. Final thoughts. Recognizing the signs that you need window replacement in Tysons, VA, can help you avoid costly energy bills, security risks, and structural damage. If you're experiencing any of these issues, investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows is a smart decision. Contact a trusted window replacement specialist in Tysons to explore your options and enjoy the benefits of modern, high-performance windows.